A phrase is a group of words that functions as a single unit in a sentence, but does not contain both a subject and a predicate. It can be used as a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or preposition in a sentence. Here's an example of a phrase. Example, running in the park. In this example, running in the park is a phrase that functions as a noun. It could be used as the subject of a sentence, running in the park is my favorite form of exercise. It could also be used as the object of a preposition, I enjoy spending my mornings running in the park. Phrases can also be classified according to their structure or function within a sentence. Some common types of phrases include: noun phrase, a phrase that functions as a noun in a sentence. Example, the tall man with the beard. Verb phrase, a phrase that functions as a verb in a sentence. Example, is cooking dinner. Adjective phrase, a phrase that functions as an adjective in a sentence. Example, the girl with the red hair. Adverb phrase, a phrase that functions as an adverb in a sentence. Example, he ran quickly down the street. Prepositional phrase, a phrase that begins with a preposition and functions as an adjective or adverb in a sentence. Example, the book on the shelf. Analyzing phrases can help you better understand the structure and meaning of a sentence. By breaking down a sentence into its component parts, you can identify the role each phrase plays in the sentence and how they work together to convey a message. Thanks for watching.